Starting 37th, in the number 43 Legacy Motor Club Advent Health Toyota, from Byron, Michigan, Eric Jones. Starting 36th, in the number 78, Live Fast Motorsports Chevrolet, from Wauchula, Florida, BJ McLeod. Starting 35th, in the number 77 Spire Motorsports Premier Security Chevrolet, from Portage, Michigan, Carson Hocevar. Starting 34th, in the number 42 Legacy Motor Club Family Dollar Toyota, from Mooresville, North Carolina, John Hunter Nemechek. Starting 33rd, in the number 15 Rick Ware Racing N29 Capital Partners Ford, from Westboro, Massachusetts, Kaz Grala. Starting 32nd, in the number 7 Spire Motorsports, Celsius Chevrolet, from Concord, North Carolina, Corey LaJoy. Starting 31st, in the number 51 Rick Ware Racing Grady Medical Centers Ford, from Winnemac, Indiana, Justin Haley. Starting 30th, in the number 16 Colleague Racing Alloy Employer Services Chevrolet, from Port Charlotte, Florida, Josh Williams. Starting 29th, in the number 71 Spire Motorsports City of Refuge Chevrolet, from Huntington Beach, California, Zane Smith. Starting 28th, in the number 9 Hendrick Motorsports Hooters Chevrolet, from Dawsonville, Georgia, Chase Elliott. Starting 27th, in the number 47 JTG Daugherty Racing Kroger Blue Buffalo Chevrolet, from Olive Branch, Mississippi, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Starting 26th, in the number 31 Colleague Racing Circle Chevrolet, from Kannapolis, North Carolina, Daniel Hemrick. Starting 25th, in the number 54 Joe Gibbs Racing Monster Energy Toyota, from Charlotte, North Carolina, Ty Gibbs. Starting 24th, in the number 6 RFK Racing Kings Hawaiian Ford, from Rochester Hills, Michigan, Brad Keselowski. Starting 23rd, in the number 99 Trackhouse Racing Freeway Insurance Chevrolet, from Monterrey, Mexico, Daniel Suarez. Starting 22nd, in the number 20 Joe Gibbs Racing DeWalt Toyota, from Norman, Oklahoma, Christopher Bell. Starting 21st, in the number 1 Trackhouse Racing Moose Fraternity Chevrolet, from Alva, Florida, Ross Chastain. Starting 20th, in the number 41 Stuart Haas Racing Hostooling.com Ford, from Berlin, Connecticut, Ryan Preece. Starting 19th, in the 4523XI Racing Xfinity Mobile Toyota, from Corning, California, Tyler Reddick. Starting 18th, in the 2323XI Racing Moneyline Toyota, from Mobile, Alabama, Bubba Wallace. Starting 17th, in the number 48 Hendrick Motorsports Alley Chevrolet, from Tucson, Arizona, Alex Bowman. Starting 16th, in the number 21 Wood Brothers Racing Motorcraft Quick Lane Ford, from Huntersville, North Carolina, Harrison Burton. Starting 15th, in the number 10 Stuart Haas Racing Black Rifle Coffee Ranger Boats Ford, from Las Vegas, Nevada, Noah Gragson. Starting 14th, in the number 4 Stuart Haas Racing Harrison's Ford, from Hendersonville, Tennessee, Josh Berry. Starting 13th, in the number 11 Joe Gibbs Racing FedEx Toyota, from Chesterfield, Virginia, Denny Hamlin. Starting 12th, in the number 19 Joe Gibbs Racing Base Pro Shops Toyota, from Mayetta, New Jersey, Martin Truex Jr. Starting 11th, in the number 24 Hendrick Motorsports Raptor High Heat Chevrolet, from Charlotte, North Carolina, William Byron. Starting 10th, in the number 3 Richard Childress Racing Brestry Chevrolet, from Welcome, North Carolina, Austin Dillon. Starting 9th, in the number 14 Stuart Haas Racing Highpoint.com Ford, from Mitchell, Indiana, Chase Briscoe. Starting 8th, in the number 2 Team Penske Menards Knauf Insulation Ford, from Mooresville, North Carolina, Austin Cindric. Starting 7th, in the number 17 RFK Racing BuildSubmarines.com Ford, from Prosper, Texas, Chris Buescher. Starting 6th, in the number 12 Team Penske Body Armor Zero Sugar Ford, from High Point, North Carolina, Ryan Blaney. Starting 5th, in the number 5 Hendrick Motorsports HendrickCars.com Chevrolet, from Elk Grove, California, Kyle Larson. Starting 4th, in the number 38 Front Row Motorsports Georgia Peanuts Ford, from Cheryl's Ford, North Carolina, Todd Gilliland. Starting 3rd, in the number 8 Richard Childress Racing Cheddar's Scratch Kitchen Chevrolet, from Las Vegas, Nevada, Kyle Busch. Starting 2nd, in the number 22 Team Penske Shell Pennzoil Ford, from Middletown, Connecticut, Joey Logano. Starting on the pole, in the number 34 Front Row Motorsports Bennebone Ford, from Glendale, Arizona, Michael McDowell.